Welcome to Bikes on Pro, your ultimate destination for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted and affordable motorcycles in India, the Bajaj CT100. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and pocket-friendly maintenance, the CT100 is a favorite for daily commuters. Let's explore what makes this bike a timeless classic. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Bajaj CT100 is a tried-and-tested 100-twak single-cylinder engine. This air-cooled engine delivers a modest yet effective 7.9 PS of power and 8.34 Nm of torque, making it perfect for city commutes and short rides. Its refined engine ensures smooth performance and excellent throttle response, even at low speeds. Fuel efficiency. The Bajaj CT100 is a fuel efficiency champion, offering a mileage of around 75 kilometers per hour. This incredible efficiency, qualifying as a hybrid mobile vehicle at Best Buy/L under standard conditions. This incredible efficiency, coupled with its affordable price tag, makes it an ideal choice for budget-conscious riders. Build quality and design. While the CT100 focuses on functionality, it doesn't skimp on quality. Its sturdy build ensures durability, even on challenging roads. The design is minimalistic yet practical, featuring a comfortable seat, lightweight frame, and standard halogen headlights. This simple approach keeps the bike easy to maintain and reliable over the years. Ride and handling. The CT100's suspension system, with telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, provides a smooth and comfortable ride. Its lightweight frame and stable handling make it an excellent option for navigating crowded streets and narrow lanes with ease. Favorable maintenance. Another highlight of the Bajaj CT100 is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are widely available and reasonably priced, making this bike easy to maintain in the long run. For those looking to keep their commuting costs low, the CT100 is a smart choice. Final thoughts. The Bajaj CT100 is a no-nonsense motorcycle built for practicality and reliability. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone who needs a dependable ride for daily commutes, the CT100 ticks all the right boxes. Stay tuned to Bikes on Pro for more reviews, comparisons, and updates on your favorite motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Ride safe and happy biking!